Hi, how are you doing? Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, take a moment to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. We always bring content that helps you understand your body, your health, and your overall well-being better. And if you're already part of the family, thank you so much for coming back. Today we're going to talk about a simple decision that can cause a true revolution in your health. Going 14 days without consuming sugar. Sounds like a short time? Well, I can promise you, in just 2 weeks, your body starts going through transformations you probably never imagined. And it's not just about losing weight. We're talking about energy, mental focus, sleep quality, hormone health, insulin resistance, digestion. Stick with me until the end, because you'll be surprised at what happens when sugar leaves your plate. And the benefits go far beyond appearance. Let's get straight to the point. Sugar is one of the most consumed and yet one of the most harmful foods in modern diets. It's not just in obvious sweets, but also in bread, pasta, packaged sauces, drinks, snacks, even in savory foods. The big issue is that our bodies weren't designed to handle this much sugar. When you consume sugar, especially in large amounts, it causes spikes in blood glucose, followed by sharp crashes. These fluctuations affect your energy, your mood, and your concentration. On top of that, insulin, the hormone responsible for removing glucose from your bloodstream and delivering it to your cells, starts working overtime. Over time, this constant effort leads to what we call insulin resistance, which contributes to fat accumulation, especially around the belly, and increases the risk of type 2 diabetes. But what if you stop consuming sugar for just 14 days? That's when the magic starts to happen. Let's break it down, because each phase of this process brings different benefits. In the first 2 to 3 days, you might feel a bit irritable, get headaches, feel tired, and have strong cravings for sweets. It's like a mini withdrawal. That's because sugar activates the same brain areas linked to reward and pleasure, just like a drug. But hey, this phase passes quickly. From day 4 to day 7, your body starts to adapt. Blood glucose begins to stabilize, insulin starts working more efficiently, and you might notice that the bloating begins to decrease. That's because sugar causes water retention, and when you cut it out, your body flushes out that excess water. Some people report losing 4 to 6 pounds, just from losing water weight. From day 8 to day 14, the effects become much more noticeable. Your mind becomes clearer, your mood becomes more stable, your energy increases, your digestion improves, and even your skin looks better. Without sugar inflaming your body, you enter a more balanced state. Chronic inflammation, silent but dangerous, starts to go down, which helps reduce joint pain, migraines, and even symptoms of anxiety. And you know what else improves when you cut sugar? Sleep. Without the glucose spikes and hormonal swings that sugar causes, your body naturally produces more melatonin. You fall asleep more easily and reach deeper, more restorative sleep. The result? You wake up with more energy and less fatigue. Another key point, your liver says thank you. Big time. Less sugar means less fat buildup in the liver, which lowers your risk of fatty liver disease, improves digestion, and helps bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats. But it's not just your body that benefits. Many people report better emotional control. Without sugar's mood swings, you feel less anxious, handle stress better, and feel more in control of yourself. And after 14 days, if you've made it this far, chances are you no longer crave sweets like before. That's because your taste buds start to reset. Fruit begins to taste sweeter. Ultra-processed foods may even taste too artificial. And the best part, you start making more conscious choices because now you can feel the benefits of those changes in your body. Oh, and here's an interesting point. Cutting sugar for 14 days can improve your sense of taste and smell. Yes, seriously. Since sugar affects your sensory receptors, once it's out of the way, your body resets and starts noticing the natural flavors of food more clearly. Now, a lot of people ask, but what about sweeteners? Can I use them while I'm cutting sugar? Well, honestly, it depends. Some sweeteners like stevia, erythritol, and xylitol are definitely better options since they don't spike your blood sugar. But ideally, you should use as little as possible. This really helps retrain your taste buds and break free from those sweet cravings altogether. So what should you eat during these 14 sugar-free days? You'll want to focus on quality proteins like eggs, fish, and lean meats. Add in healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, and coconut. Make sure to eat plenty of vegetables, especially low-starch ones like broccoli, kale, spinach, and arugula. And don't forget about low-glycemic fruits like strawberries, kiwi, and lemon. All of these foods will help keep you full, regulate your insulin, and reduce those sugar cravings. Let's recap the main benefits of going 14 days without sugar. You'll notice less bloating and weight loss, more energy and mental clarity, and even deeper, more restful sleep. There's less anxiety and better emotional control, healthier skin and digestion, and a lower risk of insulin resistance and diabetes. Plus, You'll see faster belly fat burning, more sensitive and retrained taste buds, and a healthier liver with improved digestion. You don't need miracle pills or extreme diets. You just need to give your body what it truly needs: real food, balance, and time. So, did this video help you? Have you ever tried going sugar-free for a few days? Did you notice any of these changes? Comment below and share your experience or your struggles. Let's talk. And of course, if you know someone who's tired of feeling low energy, struggling to sleep, or looking to lose weight in a healthy way, share this video with them. It might be just the push they need to take the first step. If you enjoyed this content, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you so much for watching all the way through. Take care, and see you next time.